Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add common radicals equation in word shortcut. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add common radicals equation in this document using the keyboard shortcut key. Firstly, press Alt on our keyboard, then press N, then press E, then press I. Then we can see we insert a blank equation box. Then again press the Alt on our keyboard, then press JE, then press R, and we can see here the show the common radicals equation. Now we select any equation, press up, down or left, right arrow, then press enter on our keyboard to insert the equation. Now we can see we insert the equation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.